Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and page. My people, no be small thing o. You see one thing I notice in this life. When a man marries the best wife, as in when a man married a woman, he knows that this is the best. But one thing about some men is that they cannot hold themselves, especially this particular person and this kind of people that the thing that is under the skirt that is working for them. They can't hold themselves. But do you know what? They know who is who. Yes. Anyway, guys, before we proceed, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Thank you so much for always being part of this channel. My God will bless you. So, my correct people, as we said though, we are hearing that Annie Idibia is back from hospital. That she's now okay and she have come to move on with her life. She's no longer remembering the kind of thing that Two-Face did to her. Although it's not going to be easy for her to forget all of that, but the thing is just leaving her small, small. All the negative things that happened between her and the two Baba, that she's trying to forget all of them. That is, she have said that she have come back to move on with her life. But guys, you know what? Despite the fact that Two-Face said that he have found a lover, he have found a resting place in Natasha. Even though Mama Two-Face was shouting, telling the whole world that they should help and beg Natasha, that Natasha should leave his son alone. My people, according to what is going on, since Annie came back, Two-Face have not been himself. Two-Face have been looking for how to go to see Annie. In short, Two-Face knows that as he missed Annie, he missed very, very important somebody. That I don't know whether you watched the other video when Annie and Natasha was singing at Mama Two-Face, saying that those that doesn't want her to leave, those that doesn't want good things to happen to her, God will fight for her, this and that. My correct people, now what we're hearing is that Annie Idibia was like, my children, I don't know what they're worried about. You know, as a mother, you'll always think about your children. Yes. You'll always think about a mother that doesn't think about her children is not worth being a mother. So it's not as if Annie wants to go to Two-Face house. But do you know that since Two-Face and Natasha started this their lovers, I don't know, like call it lovers history, I be lovers ministry. I don't know what to call it. Since Natasha came into an Two-Face life, their Two-Face have not seen the color of his house, according to what we heard. Two-Face have not seen the color of his house. Two-Face doesn't know that the children are doing well. Know that he have at least, I think he has up to how many children? Many of them. Different children from different wives. I mean different women. But since this woman came into his life, he have not gone home to know the whereabouts of his children. Can you imagine? A father. Anyway, the thing is coming on a platter of God, so he wouldn't bother to know how they are faring. So guys, but according to what we're hearing right now, that Natasha, Two-Face have two houses, I think in Lagos, everywhere. But since then that Natasha came into his life, that they have been living in guest house. They have been living in hotel. Now wow. They have been paying for hotel, staying there, doing their lovers' life, and enjoying themselves. But after Two-Face heard that Annie is back, they were busy in a club where they were clubbing, because since then it's now from one club to the other. So they were busy clubbing when Two-Face told Natasha that he wants to go and check on Annie, that he heard that Annie is back. And Natasha said that that is not going to happen. That why would you want to leave her here to go and see Annie? For what reason? This Natasha forgot that Annie used to be Two-Face's wife. Imagine. She said that no, that you are not going anywhere. And Two-Face was like, what do you mean? That he's not going to stay there with Annie, he's just going to see her, you know. When I heard it one, I was like, maybe the human sympathy, abi human mind is still in Two-Face. But whether he's going to see her or not, Annie have come back to move on with her life. Annie have not come back to go back to Two-Face. Two-Face and Natasha, take it over. You people should enjoy yourself to the fullest, because Annie is not going to come back to you. But why do you think that Two-Face is now running back to Annie? Because Annie is now okay. That time that Annie was at the hospital, that time that Annie was at the rehabilitation center, that time that she was rushed to India, she was in critical condition, and the Two-Face went and brought in Natasha. And you know what? Natasha is not even different from Annie, because some people will tell you that Two-Face needs to move on with his life with Natasha because Annie is a drug addict. But according to what I'm hearing allegedly, that Two-Face, it's like Two-Face introduced Annie into doing what she did, into taking such stuff, you see. But who taught Natasha? Natasha is already made. Nobody taught her. Yes, now, according to what I said the day Two-Face was proposing to her, the way she was taking it and dancing, like, wow. Okay, now, Annie have just come back, and Natasha have started being afraid that Two-Face might go back to Annie. But do you think that Annie is going to accept Two-Face again after all the things that Two-Face have done to her? Anyway, guys, I asked this question, but I want to say something on it again, that you cannot say for sure, because husband and wife is husband and wife. There is something that connects husband and wife, unless that woman or the man decide that that bond that connect the two of us, we want to cut it completely by saying that I no do again, whether good or bad, I no do. Unless it's Annie that will now say that I'm not interested again. Of course, Annie have said that she's not interested, but we don't know the level that it is that they have taken it to. But what I know is that Natasha has started being afraid. She's very much afraid that Annie is back, and the Two-Face is going back to see Annie. For what reason? Why would Two-Face go to see Annie, leaving her there in the clubhouse? My correct people, no be small thing o. Anyway, guys, one thing I know is that every man knows when he married the wife that he's supposed to marry. Every man knows your weakness and your strength. And the two Baba knows that the strength of Annie is 100 times, 100-fold of that of Natasha. Just imagine a woman you propose to. Since then, you people have not gone to your house to know the whereabouts of your children. And she knows that you have children. And people have been clubbing from one clubhouse to the other. Is that how to marry that kind of a wife? Hey, hey, this one, no be our tradition, oh. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for always watching. Please do want to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe, and share this video. Like my video. I love you guys. Bye.